key to success in life. Success is a journey, not a destination. It is a culmination of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Achieving success in life requires a combination of skills, knowledge, and attitude. Here are some tips to help you get successful in your life. 1. Set clear goals. Establishing clear goals is the first step towards success. Try to set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Break down your long-term goals into smaller, manageable tasks to help you stay focused and motivated. 2. Develop a positive mindset. A positive mindset is essential for success. Believe in yourself, your abilities, and your goals. Surround yourself with positive people.
With positive people who support and encourage you. 3. Work hard and persevere. Success rarely comes easily. Be prepared to put in the effort and time required to achieve your goals. Don't give up when faced with obstacles or setbacks. Instead, learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. 4. Acquire new skills. The world is constantly changing, and it's essential to stay up to date with the latest skills and knowledge. Invest in yourself by taking courses, attending workshops, and reading books related to your field. 5. Build a strong network. Building a strong network of contacts can help you access new opportunities, gain valuable advice, and stay informed about industry trends. Attend conferences, join professional organizations, and connect with people on social media. 6. Stay focused and motivated. Staying focused and motivated
is crucial for success. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Reward yourself for reaching milestones, and don't be afraid to seek help when you need it. 7. Practice self-discipline. Self-discipline is the ability to control your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Develop a routine, set boundaries, and avoid procrastination. Stay committed to your goals, even when faced with temptation or distraction. 8. Learn from failure. Failure is an inevitable part of the success journey. Instead of getting discouraged, use failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. Analyze your mistakes, identify areas for improvement, and try again with a new approach. 9. Stay adaptable. The ability to adapt to change is essential for success. Stay flexible, be open to new ideas, and be willing to pivot when necessary. 10. Maintain a healthy work-life balance. Success is not just about achieving your goals, it's also about maintaining a healthy work life.